HIV epidemic. Equitable access and everyone's voice. Ending the HIV epidemic. That is the key to end this HIV epidemic. Where to end it? Madam has told you it has to be ended in 2030. This is 2030 and for what we have to do to end it उसके लिए हमें जानकारी चाहिए कि हमें क्या करना है to end it. And दूसरा part equitable access. That is if we have ART antiretroviral therapy and other antiretroviral drugs and prophylaxis measures. AIDS is not curable. There is no cure for AIDS. I will talk about later. There is no cure for AIDS. There is only prevention, and we are here as a part of that prevention. हमारा यहाँ assemble होना एक it is not a fuzul exercise. It is not a wasteful exercise. We have assembled here for a mission, and what is that mission? We are part of this prevention. इसीलिए access means in our reach, in everyone's reach. Equitable access means everyone's reach. चाहे वो सब सहारा के वो black people है, चाहे वो यूरोप के बड़े वो लाइट क्लास है, यानी in everyone's reach. What in everyone's reach? The therapy, the prophylaxis, the measures, the antiretroviral drugs. So this is a retrovirus, this is a virus. साइंस वाले समझेंगे इसका रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होती है. दैट इज आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ हार्डकोर साइंस, आई एम टॉकिंग सिंपल ऑफ व्हाट इज इट रेलेवेंस, यानी इक्विटेबल एक्सेस ऑफ दीज एंटीरेट्रोवायरल ड्रग्स और व्हाटएवर everyone's voice. It should be the everyone's voice. That is we should demand for having access to these antiretroviral therapy, awareness, etc. This UNAIDS has given a vision to end this AIDS by 2030. The executive director of this UN, you can Google it, and there is the video clip of that too. She said that AIDS is a pandemic. There is no doubt. It is a pandemic. Pandemic means worldwide. Oh, you are more aware than me. It is a pandemic, and red light is flashing. You know red light. Traffic is burned. It is flashing. It has not become green. It is still flashing. What? Red light means red signal. It is a dangerous signal. It is flashing, and only by moving fast to end the inequalities. This is important. Inequalities. That is, some have access to the therapies, to the antiretroviral drugs and other facilities, but some have not. That is, the inequality is the major cause of not controlling the AIDS, not containing it. And the inequalities that drive the pandemic, can we overcome it? To end this pandemic, we have to remove the inequalities. This is the executive director who is talking about that inequality is the major cause of not containing the AIDS, not containing the AIDS. You do not believe every minute we lose a precious life. Every minute. After every minute one dies because of AIDS. So it is a reality. It is not a myth. Like we have taken the COVID as a myth, and there is very stigma associated with it. I will tell you. My convener gives this some time to help it because they have nothing else to do. Don't
tell like that. There are so many things to do.
There in 2020 only 1.5 million people were added to the list of infected people infected by HIV. In 2020 only 8.5 million and at present, in 2020, there is 37.7 million. Effective million, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 million. It is 37.7 million. It is not a joke. Such a people is living with AIDS. And it is not my report. It is the report of the World Organization. And there were in 2020 only 680,000 deaths. बेउशु युकुताको 680 base SARS yours 680,000 deaths only in 2020. एक साल में इतने deaths हो गए. ये जो एक रिपोर्ट आया है इसी बारे में UNAID ग्लोबल एड्स अपडेट जो है रिसेंटली एक दिन हो गया. इसमें क्या है, ये क्या कह रहा है, कन्फ्रंटिंग इनइक्वालिटीज, अगेन इनइक्वालिटी. That is, I am privileged, I have
Access.
salary, I am high class, and I can have access. But it does not matter. I am not the only person of society. Society is composed of it has a strata. We have, it is a composite structure. It has Amir, it has Gharib. So
जी सर
we have to take care of all
all
those.
the people
All those. Yani, there are inequality. We show that in 2020, the 1.5 million new infections were predominantly among key population. This is important.
Key population.
What is that key population? Key population is the population. Key population is the population which is the subjugated population, which have no access, which are poor, which are migrants, which are underprivileged, which are underpowered. We can take it differently. It is a broader term. And there, and among their sexual partners, among their, it is a disease. It has occurred. It is now present among us, and we have not to be shamed. Especially openly, you are students, you are part of 50% part of humanity. आप हमारे population के 50% represent करते हैं, और हम we cannot go alone when neglecting this 50% of our population.
50%.
So you have to know it. Being the students of an institution, आपको कोई शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए. Like we have brain, we have sexual system as well. Like we take the care of our brain, we take the care of our mind, we have to take care of our sexual health as well. Fikr Turwa?
yes sir
People who inject drugs, एक तो key population and their sexual partner. दूसरा, people who inject drugs. और वो drugs, indiscriminate use of drugs. They do not discriminate whether the needle has been sterilized, whether the new needle has been used, whether the new needle, transgenders. You know transgender as well. Transgender women, sex workers, and gay men, and other women who have sex with men, and other men who have sex with men, and sexual partners of these key populations. Population affected, population subjugated, population underprivileged, population having no access to therapy. Fikr Turwa?
yes sir
Accounted for 65% of HIV infection. We cannot deny it. 65% HIV infection globally in 2021. And key population amounted for 93% of new HIV infection outside sub-Saharan Africa. Again, go to the geographical region and see which people live there in sub-Saharan Africa. They are again the underprivileged people. Again, that inequality, which has been given the main call in the report as well, and the executive director too told about this inequality prevailing among the human community, that is responsible for hindering the progress to contain the AIDS,
And these are the globally poor countries.
poor countries. Which is privileged. 93% of HIV infection, they are among key population outside sub-Saharan Africa, and 35% within sub-Saharan Africa itself. However, there remain these populations which are infected by AIDS. They still remain marginalized. If marginal farmers, those farmers, even land lakit asan, irrigation facility, they will call marginal farmers. The population who are infected by HIV, they are marginalized. They have no access. They are poor. They become migrants. They are subject to conflicts like in Syria, Yemen, etc. And if we go to Sudan, maximum, even though there is a Muslim population, they are infected by AIDS. And here, Islam has not prevented or protected them from getting AIDS because there is no discrimination of religion, sex, etc. AIDS can infect it. We will talk. I will take it later. However, these people who are infected by AIDS, they still remain marginalized and are largely out of reach of HIV services. We are here part of providing services. How we can provide these services? By value HIV patient and surrogates. Yani they are out of HIV services. In most countries, confronting these inequalities also shows that women, this is important for you people, confronting these inequalities. Madam, this is important. Yani यहाँ पे women and girls in sub-Saharan Africa, continue to be at higher risk of HIV infection. अगर तो Sub-Saharan Africa वुचो पातु छु लुक कम छु तत रोदा पातु छु women and girls they are at high risk of HIV infection with gender inequality. Reason being gender inequality. That is the men there think that they are superior than women, and they do every kind of violence to discrimination to women. They think that women are objects of sex, and they have extramarital relations. They have illegal sex. They have several sexual partners. They infected the innocent wives at their homes, and those wives infected their innocent fetuses who are still in their wombs. Go. Yimन बिचारे पानस पाई यम मजलूम छु तो छु जुल्म कोता गो माजी निश्चित मस मन तश्यमन इन्फेक्शन जाता और रेस्पॉन्सिबल है घर का खानदार वो घर का खानदार जो अपने इस वाइफ को समझता है कि शी इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ सेक्स शी इज अ प्रॉपर्टी एंड शी हैज नो राइट यम चीज छु तो जान एज बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ 50% of our population 50% of our population and that is here it is gender inequality and gender biased violence. That is only one gender is discriminated. One gender is subjected to violence. One gender.
Sir, I will add one thing. This type of exploitation is invisible exploitation because मतलब ये practice होती है but women can't raise voice against that. It's an invisible exploitation or discrimination.
Exactly. Gender inequalities and gender-based violence. What they do? Yecha skill course. तो चुन ऑप्ट कर में क्या gender sensitive.
और कितना important है
तो ऑप्ट कर ताकि तो इधर पानी rights पाने. It is not we people to become feminists and propagate that women have these rights.
You yourself have a voice.
You have to go for your rights yourself.
Sir, ये voice you आप बात कर रहे हैं.
Who I have to intervene or encroach in you to decide what is better for you and what is not better for you. So you have to seek your own rights. तो शो agrees करते हैं ठीक है?
Yes sir.
वही तो शो agrees करते हैं. यानी gender inequality, gender biased violence, rob women and girls of their fundamental human rights. जो आपका fundamental human right, you have the right whether to have this marriage or not, whether your going to be husband should be tested for HIV infection or not. You should know. You should
You have the right of
मैंने जो सूरह ज़ुमर की पहली वाली आयत नंबर 9 बताई, that is क्या women understanding है, they receive admonition, नसीहत so you develop understanding. What तो पाने रखकर जहाँ तो पाने पैटर्न शुरू करता. You being a part of Red Ribbon Club, you have to sensitize yourself first and then go into the society because it is a community issue, it is a social issue, and it is not a personal issue, it is not an individual issue. One who is suffering from AIDS, he should announce that she should announce that I am infected. अगर इतने को सोचो आप लेते जानो तो सॉरी मार्च नहीं हुआ. यानी ये जो gender inequality है, gender based violence, these rob women and girls of their fundamental human rights, including right to education, health and economic opportunity. How many of you know that right to education is a fundamental right?
Yes,
do you know?
Yes sir.
And if your parents become a hindrance to provide you education, you can move to the High Court under Article 226.
High Court.
Under Article 32, you can go to Supreme Court for enforcing this fundamental right. You have right to education. अगर तो गरीब बन रुकावट या काश्ती पर रुकावट, दुकानदार पर रुकावट या वादी पकड़ मोल बन रुकावट, ऐसे छकल मोल बन रुकावट, you should know that you can drag him to the court and court will get a arrest warrant for you.
Yes sir.
You are the main stakeholders. You are the main stakeholders. Poverty cause of migration and poverty is the cause of migration and migration is a barrier to HIV service. For example, you know what happened in Myanmar. Myanmar is 7 million people were forcefully migrated and they are living under pathetic conditions in Bangladesh. वारिया फेंकती और वहाँ पे वो कितने congested है, टैक्सी तो मन पकने खातिर महा और वहाँ पे एड्स की prevalence कितनी होगी. No doubt Muslim communities are a bit isolated or having not AIDS, but it is not a universal truth. I have read so many papers that people of majority Muslim countries do have AIDS. You can check it in Google. मलेशिया में कितना है, इंडोनेशिया में कितना है, और सूडान में मुसलमान है, ताकि गैर मुस्लिम तो है नहीं, वहाँ पर भी है और बहुत ज़्यादा है. फिक्र तो हुआ?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, important catch. Billionaire, you know, who have property in billions. What they do? Billionaires are selling their yachts, यानी पानी के बड़े जहाज property है, in the same Mediterranean waters, Mediterranean Sea. That migrants are drowning in. This is the point. क्या तो होता है?
जहाज में
Billionaires are selling their yachts in the same Mediterranean waters that migrants are drowning in. यानी यमजन बिलियनर च यमजन लाखपति च खरबपति च तम च तमन मेडिटेरियन वाटर में मेडिटेरियन सी में पकनावन पानी तम बड़ जहाज प्रॉपर्टी है लूट खसूट करे जिसमें वो माइग्रेंट्स बेचारे माइग्रेंट्स फ्रॉम सीरिया फ्रॉम यमन फ्रॉम
मूव कर रहे हैं
Myanmar, from whole Middle East, they are drowning in. They are drowning in only for bread,
फूड
food, for getting medicine,
Good
extra.
livelihood.
उसी में वो मार रहे हैं जिसमें वो अपने बड़े याचस चला रहे हैं. This is again an inequality. So it is again the inequality prevailing in our society, in the community, that is a hindrance to the प्रोग्रेस इन कंटेनिंग. जो एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर है UNAIDS की, उसका नाम है विनी बयानिया. ये क्या शुरू? how can we stand by and let this be the new normal? यानी जो ये इनइक्वालिटी है, ये जो इनइक्वालिटी है, जो बिलियनर याचिस चला रहे हैं अपने मेडिटेरियन सी में, उसी मेडिटेरियन सी में अच्छन ब्रॉड पे गरीब तो माइग्रेंट्स मारन. This should not be a new norm. Because new norm also, this should not be a new norm. अच्छा, this should not be a new norm. We must confront these horrific inequalities.
So you are going literal meaning. I guess they are selling in the same boat. Like they are also getting affected. Millionaires are also affected.
No, इसका वो मतलब नहीं है. That is billionaire जो है, they are enjoying. They are enjoying. In front of their eyes, people are dying. People are migrating. For example, there is migration. Why people are migrating? What pressures are there that cause the people to migrate from one region to another? इसका मतलब है कि poor are becoming more poor. They are more subjugated. और billionaires enjoy करते हैं. मैं इसका लिटरल मीनिंग नहीं ले रहा हूँ, आप लिटरल मीनिंग ले रही हो. इसका मतलब है बहुत बड़ा. फिक्र तो होता है. फिक्र तो होता है. बुकर कंक्लूड ऐसे.
उनका बाय चॉइस है और यहाँ पर बाय नीड है. ये डिफरेंस है.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा नोस ठीक ठाक.
नहीं, आप बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो सुनने में मजा आ रहा है.
बेइज्जती कम इशू जो प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन है, अगर आप इंडिया के मुंबई में जाओगे, प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन में कौन लोग काम करते हैं, उनको नया नाम दिया गया है, कॉमर्शियल सेक्स वर्कर्स. इसका मतलब है कि अब जब उनको ये नया नाम दिया गया है प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन सोसाइटी में, it has become a new norm and they are now demanding their rights. लेकिन जब डाटा देखा जाता है in among these prostitutes, AIDS is at high prevalence. And you know, promiscuity, it is the cause. Marriage, there is a habit that marriage completes half of your being. When you are in this sacred bond and you have no extramarital relation, chances are there that you will be protected from AIDS, because probability बन जाती है बड़ी क्या protector रहोगे. You know, alcoholism and prostitution goes together. ये prostitution work and these commercial sex workers who earn from doing sex, illegal sex, they go for this alcoholism as well. क्योंकि अक्सर शराब की चाह, कोई तरह की. And पीते डाटा है डाटा आज क्या शुरू है medical doctors should don't call alcoholics as drunkards. Let me call them they are suffering from a disease. That is again this is being legalized by our medical profession. And there is the policy and programming is responsible for causing and encouraging this alcohol. If alcoholism is a
Disease.
disease, then it is the only disease sold in bottle. So I totally think I am not taking
Yes,
literal
sir.
meaning of it. I am not taking literal meaning of it. If alcoholism is a disease and drunkard is not a drunkard, even after taking alcohol, because he is suffering from disease, then alcohol, which is having place in international newspapers as ads. What the government gets from ads? It gets revenue, it gets money. So it is again government which has issued licenses to
Licenses
these
in
sellers
paper,
of
sir.
alcohol. To these sellers of alcohol. So she makes it darman. Because body pressure zero. You know, there is a black pepper soda.
Ah.
It is not black pepper soda. It is alcohol. It is whiskey. It is actually black pepper whiskey, but the ad is black pepper soda. Black pepper soda. And you know, there is policy wherein the alcoholics are encouraged. They are not called drug cards. Let me conclude with because not important. Dr. Mikhail Marson Jensen, he was from WN. This is important. He headed the international conference and the only international conference and the first international conference that took place in India at Mumbai in 1994. When he was asked the cause of this AIDS, he said categorically there is no cure for it. So better is to prevention. For the cause, he told that in 1994 he said that the cause of AIDS, it is not from Islam. I am taking out of Islam this time. He said that the cause of AIDS are many, like homosexuality, heterosexuality. You go for definition. Unsafe sex, adultery, using needles for drugs, blood transfusion, alcoholism. And if we open the instruction manual from Almighty Allah, which is lying at our home, not even clean and dusty lying there. If we open it, almost all issues are prohibited there. Like homosexuality is prohibited there. You know how Lut alayhi salam warned his people about the lewdness. How Lut alayhi salam warned the people about lewdness. They were taking the lust from the man. What happened? You have heard the story of Sodom and Gomorrah. And what Allah did to them. What they were doing fashion. They were doing haram. They were doing this. Allah sent brimstone and he killed them by the brimstone. You know brimstone, you must have done the rasa.
Yes, sir.
So should time see ka maar hum tevis kya gaye. Youth azab pro khada sir. Fikr karo.
Yes, sir.
Brimstone. And you know, modern world has legalized gay marriage. Do you know gay marriage?
Yes.
And in Canada, gays move on roads to demand their rights. When a society allows gays to have marriage, so what will happen to that society? We have again encroached the nature. We have let keep Islam aside. Settle. See what will happen when a man does with man what he should have done with woman. तो शु पाने क्या है फिक्र तो ना अच्छा वाइल कर वो कंक्लूड या फिर नो सठा कंक्लूजन में वही बीइंग द पार्ट ऑफ दिस रेड रिबन क्लब और हमारा रोल क्या बनता है मैडम
Awareness.
हमारा रोल क्या बनता है मैं वही वर्ड आया था क्या युस तोयमन जायने सुच रटन नसी बेचाच फलसो बनन क्या युस जायने सुचा बराबर तमिस युस जायने और भी वस्तु युस जायने सुच बराबर and to know you see to know chana you have important to know means science sensia later to know us to know us chwan is to spread zaman and urdu has much as one जानकारी अरबिकस में बनोस इल्म हासिल करो to know we are here assembled to know about it so you now know many things about it and it is important to know that those give anyone, if anyone of you saved a life, it would be as he has saved the entire humanity. अगर तोही में रेड रिबर वालों का या केबल बन के तोही बच्चों ही उनको ऐसी
किसी की जान बचाई।
तोही बच्चों को जन सॉरी तो शो अगर अगर ये एड्स कैच या बाकी में इशू पे फैमिली शासन important part of society. यदि फैमिली है तेलीबन माश तेलीबन society. ये सब फैमिली में जो सारी चीज़ें मालिश एड सुतर एज ए सपोर्ट तत्पर बचत की मतलब फैमिली साथ तो माश मरवली और माशरा बनाने के लिए इस्लाम में सबसे ज़्यादा जोर है यानी to have a proud family, healthy family, morally uplifted family. We have a morally uplifted society, and we have a morally, when we have a morally uplifted society, we would do hardcore science, and we will strive for searching the treatment for even the COVID and the other fatal diseases. मगर ये ना माशरा ये ना family रूल के लेकर नियम और इसके लिए एड्स के लिए जहाँ पे सिम्टम्स के लिए आप गूगल कर सकते हैं एक सिम्टम अगर ये वायरल लोड कम हुआ है अनडिटेक्टेबल को यू इट इज अनट्रांसमिटेबल यू इज इक्वल टू यू व्हेन द वायरल लोड इज बिलो क्रिटिकल लेवल how it could be contained, the viral load could be contained by we have prophylaxis, we have pre-AIDS prophylaxis and post-AIDS prophylaxis. यानी अगर AIDS go that prophylaxis क्या चीज़ है खर्च चीज़ ड्रग से अवेलेबल and pre यानी अगर बास खर्च इस पर है कैसे तब खर्च चीज़ prophylaxis फिक्र करो you have to what we as a part of rebel we have to trace और टेस्ट जो स्टिग्मा है टेस्टिंग के लिए स्टिग्मा आपको रिमूव करना है फिर ट्रीटमेंट देना है एंड अल्टीमेटली प्रिवेंशन फिक्र तो है लास्ट स्टेप मिक्स्ड ब्रीड फियर ब्रीड है स्टिग्मा जो कोविड के साथ और सब कोविड और लोग हैं ये ना वर्ड नहीं सुने मिथ जो है कि एड्स इट इज प्रेजेंट इन only black people. It was a myth. It is not present in black people. In fact, HIV stands for human immunodeficiency virus. It will not infect only black people. It will infect all humans. Thoracic reactions of body. Although we met vision key, not true. Mood and Maravish. COVID is solo case pattern vision key. Myth was go mixes breed fear. If such a myth has an fear breed is stigma. For also COVID, अच्छा विस्पर स्टिग्मा ये बाइनो यानी कोविड पेशेंट कोविड जिसको क्या आया कोविड या आया स्टिग्मा ये लाओ स्टिग्मा ब्रीड इज इग्नोरेंस स्टिग्मा ये असिडन इग्नोरेंस में बे टू नो एंटान टू नो गोज ऑन एंड नॉट टू नो बाय इग्नोरेंस एंड इग्नोरेंस इज अ बैरियर टू प्रिवेंशन जब इग्नोरेंस करप्टिंग हो गया तो प्रिवेंशन नहीं होगा वी डू नॉट नीड एड्स वी नीड एड We need यानी एक्शन ज़रूरत एड्स के एक्शन ज़रूरत एड वो सब तो एंड एड्स यानी यहाँ पर भी एक थीम है ये 2018 का थीम है नो एड्स पर नो एड्स लेकिन इस साल का जो थीम है तो थोड़ा यार क्या ना कि नवाज़ में वही सॉरी जाए ना बहुत अच्छा थीम थोड़ा ऐसे क्या
फिर से बोलिए थीम आज सब लोग बोलेंगे
ending the HIV epidemic, ending the HIV epidemic, equitable. I am not taking the literal meaning. You see, ending the HIV epidemic, equitable access.
Yes, sir.
Everyone's rights. And vision is to end AIDS by 2030. And now, this is about not talking about AIDS is supporting the growth of AIDS. Not talking about AIDS. अगर हम रेड रिबन क्लब के मेंबर होते हुए भी अगर हम एड्स के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे तो वी आर सपोर्टिंग एड्स एंड I would like to admit with the quote that women are not objects of sex or sexual ठीक है चलो आपको दावा नहीं